Good day, ma'am. My name is Jonna Marie D. Bisabella. Now I discuss about the warrant of arrest. In the Philippines, the warrant of arrest include in the Rules 112 of the Rules of the Court and the Section 2, Article 3 of the 1987 Philippines Constitution. Now, what is the warrant of arrest? The warrant of arrest is the taking person custody in order that he may be bound to answer the commission an offense. And also, the warrant of arrest is a document that authorizing and commanding to the police officer to arrest the accused of the crime. But this warrant of arrest will be valid if the judge will be dead. Now, have the essential requisite of valid warrant of arrest. First is issue upon the ball cause. Another hand, probable cause in the judicial proceeding for the issuance of the warrant of arrest is defined as the existence of such facts and circumstances that would lead to reasonably discreet and prudent person to believe that the offense has been committed by the person called to be arrested. Now, the probable cause have the two stages in a law. First is executive level. Executive level where the termination is made then by the executor going in preliminary investigation before filing information. Now, what is the preliminary investigation? The preliminary investigation is the police agency first responds to the report that the crime has occurred. Now, the second stages is judicial level. Judicial level is a undertaking of the by the judge before the issuance of the warrant of arrest. Now, the another have the second requisite. The second requisite is probable cause is to be determined personally by the judge after the examination quote of the complainant and the witnesses may produce. This warrant is the power to determine the existence of probable cause to the warrant of arrest. And also, the judge is not required to personally examine the complainant and his witness. And the third requisite is the judge must personally evaluate the report of the prosecutor and evidence adduced during preliminary investigation. Within 10 days from the filing of the complaint or information, the judge shall personally evaluate the resolution of the prosecutor and its supporting evidence, and he may be immediately dismiss the case if the evidence on record clearly fails of established probable cause. Now, fourth requisite is the warrant must particularly describe the person to be arrested. This requisite is that make describe the person in the particularly truth or her true name. This requisite inside the John Doe warrant. What is the John Doe warrant? A warrant for the comprehension of an person whose true name is unknown. Kanang nawala. Now, the five requisite is it must be connection with one specific offense or crime. This requisite is the one specific offense rule that warrant which covers several court of certain specific offense does not violate the one specific offense rule. For example, if they have the sixth count of the rape, there is only one warrant of arrest will be provided in the six persons. It means only one issue connection in the one specific offense. And this requisite inside the Shuttershot warrant. What is the Shuttershot warrant? It is the warrant of arrest that is issued for more than one offense. Now, I'm done the 5 requisite of the warrant of arrest. I proceed the period validity of a warrant of arrest. But the warrant of arrest have no time limit is fixed for the validity of a warrant of arrest. And also, it remains valid until arrest is affected or the warrant is lifted. However, a warrant of arrest shall be executed by the arresting officer within 10 days from receipt thereof. But the officer within 10 days did not arrest the accused, they need to report to the executing judge for the reasonable explanation. And also, if the judge justified the reasonable explanation of the officer, they can have another 10 days of the warrant of arrest will be provided. Now, have a question. Can you arrest a person without warrant in the Philippines? This is my answer. The 1987 Philippines Constitution established the stringent guidelines regarding arrest. According to Article 3, Section 2, a person may only be arrested based on a duly issued warrant except the certain specific situation. Kana na ka dito. Next question is, what is the difference between a search warrant and warrant of arrest? Search warrant allows enforcement officer to enter the place described in the warrant to look for and take items identified in the warrant. An arrest warrant is allow enforcer officer to take into the custody. A warrant of arrest expired. Law and arrest warrant just not expired. Cause issue a law enforcement officer can execute whatever they meet the suspect. Yes. Now, ma'am, this is my video and my explanation for the warrant of arrest. Thank you po.